What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode. And today we are going to be talking about how to connect Disney Plus to your PS5 console. Now, first of all, we need to check if our controller is connected and we can see the light on our controller so we know the controller is connected to our PS5 console. Now, we can do this in two ways, but we need to go to Media. In Media, we can either search for Disney Plus or we can go to all apps and you can see Disney Plus below right here. But we're going to search for it instead because we can download it from here, but let's go back and search for Disney Plus instead so we can go through the normal process of looking for searching for apps. So we're going to type Disney and you're going to see it pop up and we're going to click Disney. And once we have the app loaded, we're going to click on the app. Now it's going to ask us to download the app. We're going to download it onto our console. And there we have it. Now we're going to start it. Now I need you to understand that Disney is not available in my current region. So it's going to be a problem for me to log in. But basically this is going to appear. You click on the login button and you can log in your email and access your Disney Plus account. Until the next one, see ya.